Oh my god, I'm so bored. Like, it's ridiculous, and I don't have any editing ability, editing program, any way to edit things. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. And I'm snowed in because there's like a trillion feet of snow on the ground. Well, not really, but it's a lot. And I'm really bored. And my laptop came back today, which is awesome because I totally missed my laptop. Which is awesome. It's awesome. I'm really hyper. I'm really hyper. I don't know why I'm making this. Especially because I can't edit it. And I'm wearing a Jack Skellington hat, which is fucking awesome! Because Jack Skellington is fucking awesome! And yeah. Yo, dog. I heard you like crack. So we put some crack in your crack so you could have crack while you crack. 8 crack. That's really creepy. I didn't know how creepy that looked. What time is it? It's almost 11 o'clock. It's almost 11 o'clock. It's almost 11 o'clock. I am so damn hyper. Thank God I have off from school tomorrow because it's snowstorming. I don't think, because I had like no sugar today. I had like a soda and then I ate like chocolate for breakfast. But it was good, so it was worth it. But that was like a really, really long time ago. I think this is a result of the snow. Like, I would show you the snow, but it's dark outside, so I don't think you can see it. But that's not important. That's a very attractive face. I really like this color of nail polish. You can't really see it, but it's like a really cool color because in sunlight it looks like black, but in others it looks like not. Because it's awesome like that. And I hate, you know what I really hate? I hate getting texts from people, but it's not the person you want it to be. Like, people text you. And it's the same with, like, I am and stuff. It's just, it drives me crazy because it's like, oh my god, I'm getting an I am. I hope it's, oh no, it's not. Even though, like, you're kind of telling yourself it's probably not them, but you still expect it to be them anyway. Now I'm just kind of bitterly rambling, so I'm gonna go. Mama, poker face, mama, poker face.